see. And now 8 candles and a bird and a kiss.
Lily, what are you singing? What are you singing?
Candles. Candles in the
Go give me a kiss.
and no one sees sun. And now the balls and no one goes. So some balls are great. But they're stuck. And no one say can. I can't see candles. This is the sound.
Lily, what are you singing about?
Candles.
Why are you singing about candles?
Cause candles are great to sing.
They're great to sing.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing to do?
Playing or exercising.
Exercising?
Yeah.
What's Mia's favorite thing to do?
Me like a play.
What does Mia like to play with?
Toys.
Toys? What
Yeah.
else does Mia like to do?
What about here? I want to have it be here.
What do you like to do, Mia?
I want to sing because we play Mia's toys.
Yeah?
Like that. Son, see? See, Mommy?
I see.
A bird did with the game. Look at this. Look at this first.
Give a piece to Mia. Give her a piece.
A piece. Here, Mia. He dropped a piece.
Here you go.
I'm going to make a ball. See? Where's the guy?